Yeah, hello friends, we are making this video to the students who are catering for the needs of telecom education, and we are currently in BSNL and opting for fiber optic telecommunications course. So this video is totally meant for those who want to pursue their career in telecommunications, especially in the field of fiber optics. So here we are starting from the basics, right from the fiber optic cable to the finishes of how we connected the interfaces and to the new technologies of fiber optic technology. So here we go.
Okay. This is called the fiber optic cable. This is the fiber optic dump which consists of a length of 2 kilometers. This drum length is 2 kilometers. It is supportable up to 2 kilometers. This is called a 12 cable fiber optics. Now I will explain the different types of cable. This is called 6 fiber optical cable. This consists of 6 different color codes. And another one is 12 fiber optical fiber cable. It consists of 4 different color codings and each consists of 2 cables. Each wire consists of 2 cables. This is a 24 fiber optical cable. Presently we are using this in major of cities. It consists of 6 wires, in which each it consists of 4 optical fiber cables. Now we will demonstrate how we can make it. These are the requirements for starting.
Just start.
Now we are discussing about the construction of optical fiber cable. How we can see here how the optical fiber will be there. What is there inside the optical fiber? Inside the optical fiber you will observe a core and a cladding. The reflections which the optical fiber is based on the total internal reflection. It is based on Snell's law. It is totally based on core and cladding. The core diameter is 8 to 10 micrometers and cladding diameter is 125 micrometers. And the total overall size of the fiber is 400 micrometers. Next we will see what is the outer diameter of a optical fiber, 24 cable optical fiber. Okay, this is called the buffer jackets, which are in jelly form. It protects the fibers inside from water and ant bites, etc. These internal blue circles are called the fibers. And yellow color part is called as the inner sheet, inner jacket of the fiber. It will protect the cables from effects. And this is white and black combination is called the outer jacket. And all these are combined in a bind form. And another type of a cable is a pigtail cable, which is used inside the equipment, inside the exchange of offices. We will use pigtail. The pigtail consists of a fiber and a primary buffer, which is mentioned in here. Yellow color is called primary buffer, and white color space is called a secondary buffer. And these white dots with the red dots are called kelvin. And this is made up of a polyethylene. This is the outer sheet which we have just removed from the optical cable. It is made up of a nylon. And this is the inner sheet. This is the outer sheet which is made up of a nylon. And this is the inner sheet which is made up of a polyethylene. After removing this, we will observe like this. These are the covers protectors. These are the polythene cover. And there is so much jelly is there. We have to remove this. Inside this, it is protected with, it is twisted with a nylon thread. And this one is called the center sheet member, which all these loose tubes are tightened to the center sheet member like this. And we have to remove all chemicals present on it, and we have to make simple buffers. This is the central sheet which supports all these loose cables which have been tightened to this. And these are the different colors of cables available inside this. And this is a blue color cable, white color, blue, orange, green, brown and slate color. We have to first remove the central sheet member. We have to cut this like this, and with the help of buffer cutter we have to remove the cables. We have to remove the wire, and we have to safely take out the fibers present inside it. Just 5 or 10, 6. Yes. Now to carefully remove the fish for each and every. This is how we have to remove the fiber with the help of buffer cutter. Inside this we will observe 4 different colors of fibers. It is made up of jelly to protect the fibers from ant bites. It is coated with jelly. We have to clean each and fiber and we have to separate each fiber. This how all these 6 wires consist of 4 different colors. And these 4 wires which are made up of a cladding. These are the 4 different whites: orange, slate, and blue. Blue is there, somewhat is missing. Okay. These are the 4 whites. We have to be very careful while removing it. These are the 4 whites, which is blue, green, orange, and slate is the slate color is also there. We have to remove the color code of this. For example, if you take the blue, if you consider the blue color, simply pick up the blue. Blue, where is the blue? Green is there. Okay, I will take this green. And we have to remove, if it is a 0.1 cutter, we have to remove the color code. This is how we will remove the color code. This is what is color code. Inside the color code, you will observe a glass material, which internally it consists of a core and cladding. After removing this, we have to remove the, we have to clean the cladding part, color part. We will take the steps. Here we go. We are removing the green color fiber. Here we are taking the green color fiber from the cable. Here we are removing the color code. If you observe this, here there is no color coding on the green. We have removed this. The glass, which is made up of internally, it will provide cladding and core and cladding. It consists of total internal. It is based on a principle of total internal reflection. We are just placing it in a fiber cleaver, which is used to remove the unwanted part of a fiber. This is the internal cleaver section. We have to place here, right exactly on the position of. Exactly, we have to place like this, and we have to close this. After this, we have to push it. This is how the cleaver will work. After removing it, we will have to clean it with the fiber to protect, to chemical removing we are doing presently. After removing this, we have to take another copper line. We are taking out the polyethylene, which is used to clean the fiber from dust. Placing the fiber clearly here. Here we are removing the dust particles present on this. After removing this, immediately we are taking it. Here we are insulating this, and this is how we are keeping the fibers inside the sleeves. These are called the fibers, and this is electrode. We are placing the exactly in the center position, and these are the 2 cameras which will capture. The output of cameras will be shown here in the machine. This is the called output of machine. This is the right part and left part. After that, we have to start the machine. This is green button for starting. It's checking the equipment. If there is any error, it will show. So there is no error. We are considering that it go. This is how splicing will be done. Here is how joining of the fiber.
Here you can see fusion of splicing.
Okay. It is error of 0.01. It is a good. Now we are joining the fiber. We are supporting with the sleeves.
Here we are entering sleeves.
These are called sleeves, which are used to close the color coding which we have opened earlier. And we are taking the one end of the fiber and slowly we have to insert the fiber. After coming it, we have to take out and we have to open the cage. And slowly we have to close the open area. And after closing it, we have to close the machine again. And see here, the sleeves open area is closed totally. So and we are placing here inside the heating machine. This is called the fusion spice. Here how we are placing here, and we are closing it. After closing it, we are placing in the second slot. So I am pressing the second button. I am pressing here second button. It will show indications here in the monitor. In the monitor it will show. It is yellow color. The yellow color will become green if the slicing is done clearly. We have to wait for that. Yes, we are observing here the green color is coming up and yellow color is going down. After completing this step, it will beep. We will hear a beep sound. That means our fusion splicing is completed. So it's almost over. This is how it is totally green, and the light is blinking here. It means it is in final state. After finishing that, we had a beep sound. So we are removing this. Oh, it's very hot. This is called the closing. Now the fiber is totally joined. We will place this fiber in the closer box, closer setup. This is how splicing is done.